Hi, this is Joe with Blackout 911 in Latrobe, bringing you another edition of something we just put in one of the new police PIUs. And it's a new product for us that we really like. It's made by a company called Estes AWS, and it is the rear storage for the police cars. And as you can see, this one we have both the main drawer and an auxiliary drawer mounted beneath. The main drawer you can get a couple different ways with a standard key. This key here will open it up. And as you can see, there's an arm that controls the speed that brings it out. The bottom is for either electronics or for storage. We happen to have a license plate reader in here, a Motorola license plate reader that we put in. But the neat thing about the top drawer is it also comes with these remotes. This particular model comes with a remote. It actually comes with two remotes. We put the storage of the guns in there, so if you're stop at a stop, you come around, hit the button, the door opens, and it fits very easily an AR-15 type rifle and also a shotgun. They're really sturdy cabinet. And we also have on top the optional fence. As you can see, it goes the whole way around. And there's also a hidden momentary button that if you don't have the remote with you, he can push the button and it'll do that. And we think it's a really well-built, well-designed product, and we're very proud of it, and the price is very reasonable. You know, you'd be thinking it would be out of this world, but it's very comparable or less than most of the other ones on the market, and I think it's just an outstanding value. Okay, we also wanted to show you our newest addition to this vehicle. It's a Motorola LPR system. It's a 2-camera system. They come mounted on a plate with 4 magnets that are extremely strong. I mean, you'll look at that and you think, well, that's going to blow off. It's not going to blow off. We could barely pull it off. So they wanted one on this side aimed at the passenger side, and then there's another one in the back mounted right there. And as you can see, it's angled the opposite direction. Those talk to that device right there. Then that in turn ties into their laptop. There's a bunch of programming that goes on from Motorola and I believe a server and some other stuff to make all this work.